This class is about present tense verbs with future meaning. This is a pattern for complex sentences, and it's common for sentences beginning in if, when, before, or after that refer to the future. In these clauses, we use a present tense verb even though we refer to the future. And I know that sounds complicated or confusing, but I'll show you some examples. The first example of if is if I go to the cinema, I'll take a sweater with me. After if, we have go. That's in present simple. We have if I go to the cinema, I'll take. This all is will, remember? And that's in the future simple. We're going to try to put it on the timeline, okay? This is now, and that's the future. Over here is the past. So, I say if I go to the cinema. That means I haven't gone just yet, but I'll go in the future. So this is me going to the cinema. And if I go in the future, then I'll take a sweater. Both things are going to happen in the future. Me going to the cinema and me taking a sweater. They haven't happened yet. So even though this one is in present simple, it's referring to the future. If I go, I haven't gone yet. It says if I go, so I haven't gone yet. It's not in the past, and I'm not going now. If I go, in the future. Here's another example with if. My parents will be disappointed. This one is the future simple. If I don't finish university. Here, I don't finish is in present simple. So, again, we have our timeline, now, the past, and the future. In the future, well, right now, I'm in university. But if I don't finish, that's in the future. My parents will be disappointed. So again, right now, I'm in university. In the future, I'll finish. But if I don't, then my parents will be disappointed as a cause of me not finishing university. This not finishing or finishing is all happening in the future, not now, and not in the past. This is an example with when. When I finish my breakfast, when I finish, that's in present simple. I'll brush my teeth, and that's in future simple. To put it on the timeline, maybe right now I'm eating my breakfast. Eventually, in the future, I have to finish my breakfast. So we're going to put that here. Finish my breakfast. After I finish my breakfast, I have to brush my teeth. So that's where I'll brush my teeth goes. They're both in the future. Right now, I'm eating breakfast, but when I finish it, eventually, in the future, I'll brush my teeth. That's going to happen after I finish my breakfast. Another example with when is I will probably apply for a job. Here we have will probably apply in the future simple. When I graduate university. And I graduate is in present simple. Maybe right now I'm studying university, but eventually in the future I have to graduate. I have to finish. So that's why that goes in the future. So this is me when I graduate. And when I graduate, I will probably apply for a job. So we're going to put here, will apply for a job. Both the things are in the future because first I have to graduate and then I can apply for the job. With before, we have before I take a shower, and I take is in present simple. I'll eat breakfast. I'll eat is in the future simple. So there are two things I haven't done yet. One is taking a shower, and the second is eating breakfast. I have to do those things in the future. So we're going to put that here. The first one is take a shower. But before I take that shower, I have to eat breakfast. So we're going to put that on this side. Will eat breakfast. And that goes here. So this is take a shower. And before I take the shower, I will eat breakfast. But they both happen in the future. Another one with before is I'll clean my room before I watch a movie. Again, we have the past, we have now, and the future. I need to do those things in the future. Clean my room and watch a movie. So we're going to put watch a movie here. But before I watch the movie, I will clean my room. So both of the actions happen in the future, but cleaning the room happens before watching a movie. And the easiest one is after. After I watch my favorite movie, I'll go to sleep. There's two things I'm going to do. One of them is watching a movie. So watch movie. That one is in present simple. And then I'll go to sleep is in future simple. After I watch the movie, I'll go to sleep. So on this side of watch a movie, we're going to put will go to sleep. This happens first and that happens second. They both happen in the future. We have another one with after. I think I'll travel to France. This one is I'll travel in the future simple to France after I retire. And I retire goes in the present simple. So one of them happens first, and that's I retire. We're going to put that one here. After I retire, I'll travel to France. So we're going to put that one here. Will travel to France. And that way, I retire happens first. After I retire, I will travel to France. So they both happen in the future, but one after the other.